Hi guys, welcome to today's video and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna review a high-speed hair dryer. So since I just get out of the shower, my hair is still wet as you can see. Ayan, so wala tayong makeup for today dahil kaliligo ko lang. So I will blow dry my hair using this high-speed hair dryer from Kelopa. So I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but it's spelled Kelopa. So they sent me this one. Okay, it has a double kind of box in a box, but okay. So this is the blow dryer or the hair dryer. It says high-speed hair dryer. So as you can see, we have idea already. So that's the design. So oh, it's so pretty. So this is how the hair dryer look like. It's color pink. Actually, it comes with 3 colors, which is this one is cherry pink, pearl white, and the silver blue. So if you check their websites, you can choose whatever color you want. So they just sent me pink, a cherry pink one. So this hair dryer claims that this is a high speed, so I assume I can blow dry my hair quickly as possible. Okay, so let's remove it from the box. It has a little manual, and it has a cord, electric cord, and this is very lightweight. This is lightweight and travel friendly because it has a small body. So this is the attachment. And the good thing about this is the attachment is just an easy snap. You don't have to screw it. There's no anything, just a snap. Magnetic. It's very easy. Let's plug this in. Okay, this has 2 buttons on the handle, and this is where the light comes on. So the green tells you it's blowing cold. So the green tells you it's cold. And then the orange tells you it's warm, and the red means hot, like hot. So I will just use the warm. So I'll put it on just probably not low but medium, and then I'll put it on warm. So let's use it. Very nice on the top, it's not too hot. And this claims that it gives your hair a very nice shiny finish or moisture. It's very fast drying. And I really get a hard time blow drying my hair on my other hair dryer, so this one is make my life easier. Because I have a very thick hair, so it's really nice. Just takes me not even 3 minutes to dry my hair. Oh, my hair looks shiny. My hair looks shiny. And I think it straightened my hair a bit. So let's try that. So let's try the hot. So I put it on medium, and then I'll the red. See how strong it is. All right, so my hair is done. It's quick. It's not even 5 minutes. I usually finish my hair for about 5 minutes on a regular basis, but this one doesn't even take me 3 minutes to blow dry my hair, and it's nice. This hair dryer is really high speed, and I don't know what is this, but it's just an easy snap. See? So I really love this. This really makes my day. And this is very cute, and you can bring this when you travel because it's very handy. I mean, not too bulky like the other blow dryer that we can see, like the regular blow dryer. This one is nice and it's not gonna occupy too much space. The material of this hair dryer is polycarbonate, and it has 110k RPM supersonic brushless motor. And of course, I love the vintage Alhambra design. This one, you know, this is very unique. It's kind of remind me of my Louis Vuitton necklace. You know, the design, it's really nice. It's like not very common that you can see this kind of design on a hair dryer. So guys, if you want to check this high speed hair dryer from Kelopa, you can check the link that I'm gonna put on my description box, and you can grab the color of your choice. I can highly recommend this. This is good for everyday use. And thank you so much, Kelopa, for sending me this one. I really like, and I enjoy trying this. So thank you so much guys for watching, and if you haven't subscribed on my channel, please do kindly hit the notification button so you get updated every time I upload a new video. Hanggang sa muli, I'll see you on my next one. Have a blessed day and stay beautiful. Bye!